Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I'm in Kent and make videos mostly about our allotment and growing things and making stuff from the things we've grown. Today I am just in my garden. I have a very small garden, which is why I have 2 allotment plots, because there's not a lot of space to grow things here. But I have got a few jobs that I need to get done today. So I've got a basil plant that I've got indoors that I just bought from the supermarket, but I want to try and separate it to get it to grow bigger. I've also got a blueberry plant. I've got 3 blueberry plants, all in pots because they need special soil. I say 3 blueberry, 2 are blueberry and 1's a pinkberry, which is a bit different, but I've got one that I've had for years. I've probably had it well over 12 years now, and it really does produce lots and lots of beautiful blueberries. So what I'm going to try and do is actually take some cuttings from it to try and sort of like mimic that, if we like, and get some more bushes that produce excellent fruit, which won't be straight away, obviously. It'll be a couple of years before we get some good fruit from it, but got to start somewhere. And also, what was the other thing I needed to do? I need to cut back some of my lavender, and I've got a peony that I need to plant as well, and just a general tidy up in the garden. So I've just come back indoors, and obviously as soon as I finished filming I remembered what else I needed to do. So I have got some seeds I need to plant, to sow. I haven't actually started off my peppers or chilies yet, so I need to do that. And also I've got a compost bin in my garden, so I need to try and empty it. So I need to try and get it. Last time I did it, because when I first started the compost bin, I didn't really know what I was doing. It's when we first moved in and we just used to put stuff in it. It's really, really compact. So I need to try and get some of it out from the bottom so that we can put more in, really, and actually use it properly now that I know how to compost properly. So I need to do that as well. So I've just got some of these, they're 3-inch pots. I've got sort of 4 of them. I'm going to try and take 4 cuttings and see how it goes. I've never done it before. I have been reading up on it. I've got some special soil, ericaceous soil, which is what they need to be in. Oh, it's a bit windy. So I'm just going to put some of this in here. Oh, I've got flower pots all over, flying all over the place now. It's nice and sunny today, but that wind is a little bit chilly. Right. And with my blueberry plant, I have a feeling I got it from like a pound shop or something, but it's done really well. But I don't actually know what type it is, because if I did, I would buy more of them, but I don't know what it is. So I'll show you what ones I've got. So this is one that I bought from the garden centre, which has got the tag on it. Actually, it doesn't say what variety. Oh, here. Here's the variety down here. Is blueberry. Oh God, I can't see that. Patriot. And I've had it a couple of years, and we've had some blueberries off it, but not as much as the other one. So this is the one that I've had for years, and it's in this great big pot. It did start off smaller, obviously, and I've potted it on, so I'm going to try and see. Now, you're supposed to do it before the buds come out, and they have started, so I'm not sure if I'm too late, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. What have I got to lose, eh? See if we can get a few more plants. I've got 2 off of the one that I wanted it off, and I couldn't really see any other suitable ones to be cutting, so and then the other 2 I've got off of my pinkberry bush. But you know what I've done is I've put them down and I can't remember which ones are which. So we're going to put all 4 in and see what we get. Hang on, I've got some other stuff. Wait there. I've got some rooting powder, so it's good for edible plants as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip it in, and then we're going to put that straight in there. As I say, I've muddled them up now, so I don't know which ones are which. So I'm going to give them a quick water, and these will be kept indoors until the summer, and hopefully we should get some nice roots on them. So I've given them a good water. They need to now be kept, the soil needs to be kept sort of moist, and they should, fingers crossed, get some good roots. This is one of my little helpers today. Hey Brady. Hey boy. So this is my basil plant. As I say, I got from the supermarket. I think this might be like a Tesco special. They don't grow outside very well in the winter. They don't like the frost, which is why I keep it inside. But what I want to do is try and get 2 plants out of this. I'm going to separate it and put it into these bigger pots to hopefully get bigger basil plants, because you know, we use this quite a lot. It goes into a lot of our dishes and salads, so the more basil the better. So I'm just going to take this out of this pot and just gently ease it apart. Put it into the new pot. Some more soil. One. Over there. Not too close to the edge because it might get blown off. Now I'm just going to get some more soil. So I'm just going to use some soil out of an old pot down here. And then this will go back indoors on the windowsill. I mean, you could split them even more. I don't know if you can see, you know, these are all separate plants, so I could separate them more, but we'll just do 2 for now because I haven't got space for them. And then maybe what I'll do in the summer is separate them even more, because I can put them outside then. So this is my compost bin that I have at home, and as I say, all we ever used to put in there was a few garden clippings and the grass cuttings, because, you know, about 10 years ago I didn't know how to what I was doing, so it just looks like a big sloppy mess really. So I need to try and get some of this soil out of here, and try and push it all down a bit and then use it properly. even know what that is or how that's got in there. I mean, I know I just said I didn't know anything about composting. I know not the bloody bits of plastic in there. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Been nosy? What do you want? You come to be nosy? Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter, boy? You're in the way, aren't you? I know. Right. Come to be nosy. Have you? What are you looking at? Are you a beautiful boy? Are you? You are. So I filled this pot with the soil out of the compost heap. I'm not really sure you can call it compost, it's just like thick clayey mud, but anyway, it should still go in there. And then I've just got this nice pink peony. Oh, you've come to have another look, have you? It's not food, no. So I'm going to put that in this pot next to this one. This one's already got a peony in it that's from last year. So it might even be from the year before actually. So I'm hoping to get some nice flowers off of there because I didn't get any last year. So I'm going to put this one in here. Brady, what are you doing with my peony? It's not a toy. Can I have it? Can I have it back? I need to plant that. Brady. Thank you. Can I have it back, please? Can I have it back? He thinks it's a toy now. He's going to run off with it. Oi, cheeky boy. Thank you. So I've got this sort of trough pot. I've got a lot of these down at the allotment, and then I just had one here because I just had some spring onions growing in it last year. What I'm going to do, I do want to put flowers in it. However, I'm going to hope to get a cheeky sowing of radishes in, which I'm going to put in now, and then by the time we harvest them, some of the seeds of the flowers that I've started in the greenhouse will be ready to plant out and put in here. So that's what we're hoping to do. So I'm going to do that now. So I have still got some obviously spring onions in there that I missed. So I'm just going to pull them out, and some of the other, whatever that is, and get it ready for the radish seeds to go in. So I hope you've all had a lovely weekend and that you managed to get out in the garden or down to your allotment and got some bits done, because the weather here has been absolutely beautiful. As I say, a little bit windy and chilly in the wind, but the sun, it just makes you feel so much better, doesn't it? So I hope it's been lovely where you are, and I'll see you all in the next one.